Hello everyone, we are team the Disruptors and today we are here to tackle a hidden urban crisis which is flash floods. So meet our AI powered app called HydroVision, our SDG 11 aligned solution. So while most people blame rising rivers as the main cause of flash floods, that's only half the story and let me tell you why. So we have identified three critical gaps in the urban flood management. So the first gap is blind spots. So government systems they usually monitor major rivers via satellite, but they ignore the main culprit, which is clogged small drains. So because these small drains are invisible to the current tech, so the root cause of urban flash floods remain unresolved. And the second issue is the human time bottleneck where apps like Response Riot they receive thousands of blurry, fake and duplicated data and that makes the manual verification to take even longer time by the city councils. And another main issue is there's a lack of predictive prevention because we lack a proactive system that connects blockage data with the weather forecast system to predict which specific street will be flooded when the rain starts falling. And that is where HydroVision comes into rescue.
For our tech stack, we designed a scalable and real-time architecture using modern mobile and cloud technology. For our front end, we use Flutter with that, where we integrated Google Maps, geolocator, and image picker. For our back end, we leverage Firebase storage for handling uploaded images. Our AI layer helps with flood risk forecasting and image analysis. Throughout the development of HydroVision, we utilize tools like VS Code, GitHub, Firebase Studio, and Google AI Studio.
So I'll be walking through our app, which is called HydroVision, from a perspective of everyday resident. So as you can see here, this app really demonstrates a very neat, clean, sort of minimalist design. We don't want to be flashy and distract everyday customers, everyday residents. And as you can see here, we have a live weather API that fetches real life data. And this is a flood risk forecast. As you can see, it shows even the next rainfall for the next 24 hours. Moving on, we have here is a report button. So when the average resident want to report something, they click here. And for example, let's use this picture and let's pinpoint a location, right? So I'm choosing this location, for example. I wanted to report this. So let's say Klang is flooded and it demonstrates the blockage severity, that it shows what type of material and flood severity as well. You can even update the location tag and you can now confirm it. It may take some time for it. Okay, once it's done, you can now view actually a report over here as well. And after that, let's go to the map section. So the map section actually shows that your report is actually true. So once, remember, we did the report over here. So actually demonstrate the report over here. Now let's move on to the feed section. This is what we did. So it's inspired from X. As you can see here, what I reported, it came automatically in the feed. And I can see my own report over here as well. And for example, I want to scroll down. I see other users report. I want to verify it. I verify it. I want to repost it. I repost it. I want to like it. I can also like it. And over here, the reward system is basically what things we did. So we did like a sort of gamification part. So let's say the users want to like redeem a touch and go e-wallet now, they can redeem it actually. So how to earn this one is very simple. They can submit, they can verify someone's report. Your report also can get verified. You can get 10 points from it. Your first report also you can get 25 points from it. And you can even review your points history over here. And moving on, the last one is the profile. Profile is something personal about you. You can review your repost, your media, and your likes.
Let's start with the system telemetry. Basically, system telemetry for the 11 critical issues like what's the amount of current available posts. The 8 crews shows like the amount of crews that we have, and the 64% shows the amount of reports that we have like verified and have resolved. The rise precipitation radar is basically shows like the rate of rain in the weather right now. So right now the screen is kind of clear, and the AI visual triage is basically the simplified version of the reports. So if you press on one, basically it shows the AI severity scale and all of the pending one. Going down to the dispatch, this is the quick dispatch button for us to quickly send a dispatch that we saw already that they clearly need help, and we'll go there. Let's go to the map now. For the map, this is as you can see just now, the user did pin a location for their submission of their report, and it is corresponding to here. So the admin and the user sees the same thing. Let's go to the report now. Here, the report at the admin side, basically you can do a lot of things. You can verify the post, you can send a dispatch, status, severity, notes, delete, and ban the user. So now if I verify and I send a dispatch, if you check on the user side, they can see the same thing going on. And there you go. On the top, help is on the way. Now let's go back to the admin side. You can even change the status, to being resolved. And you can also change the severity of the flood, say danger. And all of these changes will be done and will be corresponding to the user side. So I can also leave a note actually for the users. For the dispatch. So let's say hello, and it'll be recorded and it'll be saved in this particular post, so the other dispatch can see. And I also can delete the post. Let's say I delete it here. And boom, the post is gone. Okay, now let's go to the admin side of the page. Right here, you can see all of the things that you have done before. All of the status you have verified, all of the flood that you have said, you have verified, you can even filter through it. And every single action that you have done as an admin will be shown here. And that's about it for the main feature for the admin side. Thank you for listening. This is Team HydroVision.